Let's connect to the life force of our breath. Take a deep inhale, imagining the fresh, invigorating essence of peppermint filling your senses, like you know how peppermint has a lovely flavor. And as you find a comfortable position, visualize the minty air becoming quite enjoyable on your palate. Perfect. Slowly inhale the mint through your nose and exhale the essence of peppermint through your mouth. Perfect. In many spiritual practices, the breath is seen as a carrier of prana, chi, or life force of energy. It's believed that conscious breathing can help harmonize this energy within the body, promoting health and vitality. I wonder if you'll begin to find the taste really pleasing, or the aroma delightful. Feel your belly rise as you inhale, letting your tummy fill with minty air and expand with each breath. Try to take slow, steady breaths, filling your lungs from the bottom up. Perfect. Breathing easy, naturally. Enjoy the taste of this subtle mintiness until it becomes really pleasing or subtly delicious. Perfect. And as you already know through breath work, many people experience moments of transcendence or surrender, letting go and connecting with a higher consciousness of universal energy. It's as if the eyes have difficulty keeping open, making it harder to see clearly. Maybe the thought has already crossed your mind, if it hasn't already. Don't try and close them. As you begin to resist, your eyelids can grow heavy. It isn't possible for them to become heavy. They won't go down. You'll find the more you resist, the harder it is to hold up. The harder you try, the heavier they get. Try it. You'll find the harder you try to hold them up, the heavier they become. Try not to let your eyelids get heavy, but the harder you try, the heavier it gets. No matter what you do, your eyes heavy. And as you already know by imagining you're inhaling peppermint, it significantly reduces the frequency of nausea, vomiting, retching, and the severity of nausea in cancer patients undergoing chemotherapy. You know you have pain, and you know that you know it, and no one can tell you any different. What you do not know is you also have areas of no pain, and you can know this no pain, and at the time of no pain, can get longer and longer. The area of no pain can get larger and larger. So as you have more and more no pain until you're entirely free, you would like to so much say to no pain, all pain. You want your no to be a good no, the right no. There are many things you know, and you know others know them. And sometimes they don't know what to do, they know them. So do not let them know that you know them, to protect their feelings. There may be one person whom you can share and needs to be shared without distress to anyone. There can be so many things you do know that will help you say the right no, and let you become more and more aware of no pain. until you consistently feel no pain. And as you continue to breathe in that minty, fresh air, deep inhale and exhale. So why not take the time to imagine a magic mirror passing through your body at your upper abdomen, so the nausea is below the mirror. It reflects down and doesn't bother you. Perfect. Now if you can take a fresh breath in until you can taste it all minty in your mouth comfortably. Imagine yourself standing at the summit of a spiritual mountain. You've climbed this mountain because, let's be honest, someone as kind and as thoughtful as you must have done many things to uplift others and the world around you. I bet you've been consistently nice to people, listened compassionately to everyone's problems, made efforts to save the planet by recycling and consuming responsibly. You probably haven't indulged in buying unnecessary things beyond what any normal person would. You've likely attended events to keep others happy, even when you didn't feel like going, and those friendly waves to the neighbours, even when they weren't reciprocated. They speak volumes about your caring nature and genuine spirit. So here you are, standing tall on the peak of this spiritual mountain, having journeyed with kindness, empathy, and selflessness. Take a moment to acknowledge and celebrate the impact of your positive actions on the world around you. You've truly climbed a remarkable mountain of spiritual growth and goodness. Keep shining bright, because there's something I think you should know. Well, you couldn't control your circumstances, like getting cancer, which has led you to this moment now. So stop blaming yourself. It's not like you are King Charles, who probably has the world's largest organic garden with fruits and vegetables packed with all the vitamins and minerals grown in perfect soil, served by numerous attendants and guided by nutritionists at every meal. He even had a professional psychotherapist on hand from time to time. Despite all those royal resources right at his fingertips, he couldn't change his behaviour. Like, was he secretly indulging in royales with cheese, Pop-Tarts, curly fries or corn dogs? As you know, King Charles is in the military, and all the people serving the Commonwealth and their allies regularly undergo medical and fitness tests, including the infamous bend over and cough routine for pilots. So what I'm trying to say in a really nice way is, you're nothing like him. You probably don't have a princess daughter-in-law who's starting to resemble Michael Jackson during his lighter years, do you? So I kinda have a lot of empathy for you. You've lived a full life. And sure, you might have been unable to make healthier choices here and there, but most importantly, you can be a little kinder to yourself, can't you? Positive self-talk can actually make a big difference in how you feel physically. When you focus on using uplifting words, it lowers the levels of stress hormones in your body, which makes you feel more relaxed. Positive self-talk can make you feel less sensitive to pain. And on top of all that, staying positive is good for your heart, can lower your blood pressure. But most importantly, positive self-talk also boosts your immune system. Your body produces more of the cells that fight off illness, keeping you healthier. Imagine yourself stepping back and viewing your body from a different perspective. See the cancer cells as weak and confused. Take a moment to visualize the medications prescribed by your doctor, or the vitamins and minerals or alternative therapies that have been prescribed. Picture them working synergistically with your body for your well-being. Perfect. Can you visualize the medicines entering your system and seeking out any remaining cancer cells, particularly in your abdomen? Can you see your body's own defense mechanisms coming into action as they administer final blows to eradicate the cancer cells? Now use your positive words to power up your immune system, creating more and more white blood cells. You can say things like, "I'm strong and resilient. My body knows how to heal itself. Every day my immune system gets stronger and more efficient." Or, "I'm surrounded by healing energy." Picture your abdomen from the inside, healthy, pristine, free from any traces of cancer cells. Do you know that you have the ability to control this process? It feels nice to be in control, doesn't it? Let's talk about something important that you might have forgotten about, your inner resources. It's easy to overlook the positive things you've achieved and the control you have over your well-being. Think about how you've managed nausea by imagining that refreshing, minty air, or how you've brought down your heart rate and blood pressure through these relaxation techniques. It's like tapping into your hidden strength within you. And guess what? Your mindset plays a big role in your body's response, even influencing your white blood cell count. By listening to advice and taking action, you've already hit some major milestones in your healing journey. So take a moment to appreciate these wins. Recognize the power and resilience you possess. Stay positive. Keep moving forward confidently. You're doing great. And you have the ability to keep making positive changes. So you're standing at the summit of this towering spiritual mountain. You've already conquered so much on your journey. The diagnosis, the treatments, and the uncertainties that come with facing cancer. Take a moment to reflect on how far you've come and all that you've overcome. You've been supported by loved ones, a dedicated medical team every step of the way, fueling your ascent up this challenging path. Although there are moments when fear and doubt clouded your view, you persevered with a spark of hope burning brightly within you. With each obstacle you faced, you gained strength and resilience, shedding the weight of uncertainty along the way. Most people have experienced this release of emotions. Now standing at the summit, embrace this powerful moment to get a clearer perspective for your journey forward. Everyone knows how to separate themselves from negative emotions and focus more on positive representations as they continue on their journey. You already know how to imagine a brighter future, working up an appetite, going out for a delicious meal, watching a nice sunrise, laughing out loud. Picture this bright future full of possibilities. You've known all along how strong you are. Keep trusting in the support that surrounds you. You've already reached great heights. Are you ready to transition gently back into your surroundings now? Take a deep breath and allow the fresh mint scent filling the room to reawaken your senses, maybe uplift your mood. And as you become more aware, do you feel the sensation of a minty freshness lingering in your mouth, as if you've savoured a refreshing breath mint? Yum. Allow this sensation to spread a sense of clarity and rejuvenation throughout your body. Notice how your body feels in this moment. Rested, comfortable, and at ease. Can you feel the support of the surface beneath you? Allowing yourself to embrace positive self-talk. Remind yourself you're doing great. Take your time to fully immerse yourself in this moment of awakening, savoring the sensations of positivity around you. Carry this sense of well-being with you as you stretch out, wriggle your fingers and toes, and open your eyes. Welcome back. You're perfect just as you are.